Hello kids, let's learn sea animals name. Let's start. Shark. This is shark. Hammerhead shark. This is hammerhead shark. Sea urchin. This is sea urchin. Moray eel. This is moray eel. Pufferfish. This is pufferfish. Jellyfish. This is jellyfish. Parrotfish. This is parrotfish. Manta ray. This is manta ray. Blue tang. This is blue tang. Barracuda. This is barracuda. Angelfish. This is angelfish. Nautilus. This is nautilus. Grouper. This is grouper. Beluga whale. This is beluga whale. Orca. This is orca. Humpback whale. This is humpback whale. Horseshoe crab. This is horseshoe crab. Cuttlefish. This is cuttlefish. Hermit crab. This is hermit crab. Porpoise. This is porpoise.